Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock this new Transcendent Bee Egg and Garden game of Roblox BCB event update part 3. Okay, in this latest update guys, there's new bee egg called the Transcendent Bee Egg, and if you want to get this egg, you just need to go to the egg shop right here. Okay, and I've just purchased this Transcendent Bee Egg, and it cost 5k honey coins if I'm not mistaken. It's pricey, but it's worth. And from the Transcendent Bee Egg, these are the possible bees you can hatch. If you're lucky, you will get the rarest one, which is the Genesis bee. You only have 1.27% chance to hatch this egg. Oh, it's really cool. And I'm going to place it in my garden. And okay guys, that's how you can get the Transcendent Bee Egg and Grey Garden game of Roblox BCB update part 3. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!